We at the University of Miami, y'all. We at the U. Oh, they got the boys. They got Kevin and all that.
Maybe we could.
Ain't no harm in pulling up that sand. Fuck it. We about to see if we can get into the U. That's for the Festival of Art. That's something totally different.
How you doing? Just visited. Just want to take a few pictures. We from New York.
Oh, okay. Of Canvas or the art show?
Actually, it's just a few in front of the sign. We ain't had nowhere to park.
Well, what you want to do is turn left here and then make your first right, and there'll be a parking lot. And there's an art show going on.
Yeah? Thank you.
For more details.
Yeah, we in the U, y'all. Look at the boys. We got the U sign on them.
2010 recruitment, Thursday, January 14th at FIU's Graham Center. For more information, go to
Come get it.